What's up, guys? So today we're going to show you how to change the air filter in your BMW 335. Should be same for most of the years. So first things you want to do is just take this off. It has a couple of clips, but you just have to pull it out where you get the resistance and jumps right out. It's pretty simple. Then you got these two intakes, and that's where the air box is. So that's where the filter is at. So you just push these clips right like that. Pretty simple. You can do it with your hand, and you get this open. There's a lever like in the back, so you just have to pull it front, and it should pop right out. You move this to the side. You don't even have to disconnect it. There's your air filter. You could just wipe out the inside, vacuum it. Take the old one, throw it out, and get your new one. Make sure you get the right fit. We got the fresh filter right here, and you just put this inside. Make sure it fits in the holes. Make sure it sits tight on the seal, and just close it back up. First you put the lever in the back, slide it in, then you put the clips on, and that's it.